While sketch a rectangle or continuous line boundary over a 3D surface, the endpoint snaps with the 3D surface as key point. Let me show you how it works. So if you go and create a user-defined boundary, I will go to the top view. I click on sketch and I select continuous line and try to draw a rectangle here. So if you look at this particular boundary, the endpoints snapped the 3D surface and it was not drawn in a single plane. So how to do with a single plane? So here I'm going to the sketch mode again. Go to the top view, select the continuous line, press Ctrl and try to draw the line here. One and second. If you look at this particular boundary, you can able to draw on a single plane. I will show you one more example for rectangle also. You can start from clicking the first point. If you are not pressing the control key, you cannot able to draw the second point because it will say it's an invalid point. So what you can do is select the rectangle option, press the control key, click on the first point and click on the second point. You can able to draw the rectangle without having any error, and also you can draw on a single plane.